Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Alien Cosmetics Knockout palette. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to see what kind of look that I can make with it. I also have a couple other things that I got. They're not new, but they're new to me. And we're going to be playing with those. So if you want to see what kind of look I come up with, then just keep watching. Alright, let me clip my hair up. And I'm going to take my glasses off. I'm going to put on a little bit of the Wild Nothing Chrome Shadow and Laurel. And I'm going to put that on my eyes as my eye primer. I've really been enjoying using this as my eye primer. Alright, I'm taking the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. And I'm going to put that over my eyes. Alright, I'm going to take Cheeky right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease with my BK Beauty 202 brush, the fluffy taper brush. Kind of filming a little later tonight. We had to go to the grocery store because the kids ate all the food in the house. Joy of having kids. I'm taking milk chocolate down here, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner and in my crease as well. I'm taking Breakfast in Bed, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to take chocolates right here, and I'm going to see about putting that over top of my inner corner. Got a cotton around some micellar water. I'm going to try to clean up the fallout. Probably should have used some glitter glue because I got glitter like everywhere. Alright, I'm taking the NYX Pore Filler Primer. And I'm going to put that on my face. Yeah, I'm really wishing I would have used a glitter glue now. But I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Soft Ivory. Now, I've used this before, but it's been a while, so I just picked this up to try it again. See what I thought about it, because it's been a while. And I'm taking my Sigma multitasker brush to blend that out. And I'm going to take the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in Porcelain. I'm dotting that under my eyes. I'm blending that out with my concealer brush. Taking the number 7 powder in light. And I'm going to use that to set my concealer. Alright, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in Palm Beach Ready. I'm going to use that to warm up my face. And this is a new to me product as well. I'm going under the chin and down the neck. I'm taking the ColourPop Land Super Shock Cheek and Gumdrop Pass. And I'm going to put that on my cheeks with my Sigma F80 Air Flat Kabuki brush. I could use these every day because they smell so good. They look good too, but now I'm taking the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3 by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my face, starting with my cheekbones. That is pigmented. Going over the brow. Other brow. Nose. Cupid's bow. And chin. Taking milk chocolate right here, and I'm going to put that underneath my lash line, as close to my lash line as I can get it. And I'm going to take Breakfast in Bed right here that I had on my inner corner up underneath the glitter. And I'm going to put that on my very inner corner as my inner corner highlight. Taking my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'm going to put that on my lashes real quick. Alright, so I'm going to take the Megalast Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in Cedar Later. And I'm going to put that on my lips. Sorry, my camera cut off. I was putting on the Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in Cedar Later. And I put that on, and I'm going to take the Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water and from Wet n Wild. Alright, so this is the final look using the Alien Cosmetics Knockout palette. I'm real excited about this palette. Same thing I said yesterday. The mattes are super blendable. Took no time to blend them out. The shimmers are gorgeous, very creamy, and the glitter, it took me a little bit to get it. I had to use a certain brush. I should have used glitter glue, but that was my fault, so I kind of got it everywhere, but that's okay. You gotta love glitter. But I'm really loving these Alien Cosmetics palettes. Like, they are great. If you are in the market for a new eyeshadow palette, looking for a new brand, something a little different, definitely check out Alien Cosmetics, because they are nothing to sleep on. It's a great formula. So, and they actually have a Halloween palette on pre-order right now, as well as a palette called Fairy Frolic. That's a real pretty palette on pre-order. They also have some more that are real pretty too that are in stock, so you can kind of look around on their website and see what kind of tickles your fancy. But they have a lot to choose from, and they're beautiful palettes. So the Wet n Wild foundation, I knew I was going to love it. I remember that it was really pretty on, that I didn't have any issue with it when I wore it before, but it's been years since I've worn this, since I had it. It just looks gorgeous on. It's just beautiful. I'm really loving this. I bought the dewy version too. I've never tried out the dewy version, so I'm going to try out the dewy version probably tomorrow. But I'm super excited to have this back in my collection. The bronzer was really pretty. I enjoyed it. I think it might have a little bit of shimmer, but it doesn't come off on the face that much, at least not that I can see. I can't really tell. The only shine I can see is my highlighter, which looks gorgeous. I wore that the other day though. The Juvia's Place Tribe highlighter, volume 3. I wore that the other day and I'm still loving it as well. The ColourPop Super Shock, I'm really loving these now that I have something that I know I can brush, I know I can apply it with, and it'd be easy to apply and not waste all the product, because it seemed like when I was using my finger, I was using way too much product and it was taking forever to blend out for what I wanted, and it just wasn't working. I tried another brush and I think it was too dense and was kind of causing issues with trying to get it on the brush. I'm excited to have found a brush that I can use with these products that I have, and can use the products, and they look so gorgeous. So I'm super excited. I think the last thing is the lip product that I use, the Megalast Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick and Cedar Later. It's really pretty. I love the color, and it's really comfortable on. It's not matte, so it doesn't dry down. It's just a real comfortable liquid lipstick. So it's real beautiful. So, and it wasn't that expensive either. I got one in matte. I'll have to try these later, but I got a matte version, and then I got 2 lip glosses that are part of their new like Coffee Cat collection or whatever. I think they were like $2, so I picked them up. But yeah, everything turned out great. It's another great makeup day. I don't know what I've done to be able to have such great makeup days these past 4 or 5 days. I guess just picking out great products. I don't know. I'm really loving this look. If you like the look, hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are taking care of yourself. You're staying happy, healthy, and have a great rest of the day. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.